So, you're thinking of joining the YouTrip fam? Great choice. But how long does it actually take to get your virtual card ready to swipe? Let's dive right in. Now, the exact time can vary a bit depending on a few factors like how quickly you can verify your identity and how busy YouTrip servers are. But generally speaking, the process is pretty straightforward and shouldn't take too long. Step-by-step breakdown. Download the app. This is the first and easiest step. Head over to your app store, search for YouTrip, and download the app. It's a quick and painless process. Sign up. Once you've downloaded the app, the next step is to sign up. This involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Identity verification. This is where things might take a little longer. You'll need to verify your identity by uploading a clear photo of your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Account activation. Once your identity is verified, your account will be activated. This usually happens pretty quickly, often within a few hours. Key factors affecting processing time. Peak periods. If you're signing up during peak periods, like weekends or holidays, it might take a bit longer for your application to be processed. Verification document clarity. Ensure that the photo of your ID is clear and easy to read. Blurry or unclear images can delay the verification process. Technical issues. Sometimes, technical glitches can cause delays. However, YouTrip's support team is usually quick to resolve these issues. Tips to speed up the process. Prepare your documents. Have your government-issued ID ready before you start the sign-up process. Ensure good internet connection. A strong internet connection can speed up the verification process. Check your email regularly. YouTrip might send you verification emails or other important notifications. So, while the exact time can vary, you can expect to have your YouTrip card ready to use within a few hours to a few days. By following the tips above, you can minimize the wait time and start enjoying the benefits of YouTrip sooner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.